Want to add a black background to give your photo a dramatic effect? Or need to conceal unwanted objects in a resume or business page photo? Watch this tutorial and learn how to add a black background to a photo in the easiest way possible. We'll be using PhotoWorks, an AI-run photo editor. Once you've launched the software, upload your image by clicking the Open Photo button, or simply drag and drop the file into the startup screen. Now switch to the Tools tab and hit Change Background. First, adjust the size of the green object brush and paint over the object or the person you want to keep on the photo. You don't have to paint over every single detail because the program will automatically determine the edges. Then, pick the red background brush to mark the background you want to replace. Decrease the background opacity to see the changes better. Click Next and pick the object brush to restore any details that were accidentally deleted, or the background brush to remove any background leftovers. When you're satisfied with the result, hit Next and choose the black color from the editor's color palette. If you want to soften the edges, use the Blur Edge slider and the Extend Edge slider to make them wider or narrower. To make the replacement look more natural, drag the slider to adapt colors to the background. The software comes with a variety of ready-to-use backgrounds, so you can choose one of them to make your photo look more eye-catching. When you're done with editing the background, apply the changes. To export your upgraded image, click the Save button and select the file format. Now you know how to put a black background on a picture in a few simple steps. Download PhotoWorks and replace any background with ease.